Answer the following question by referring to the advertisement. Laptop was $2,198. Now it is $1,798, or $55 monthly times 38 and no deposit. Find the percentage discount for payment in cash compared to the original price, giving your answer correct to one decimal place. So the laptop was 2,198 and now it is 1,798. So it means that if you pay cash, all the cash at the spot, so you will get laptop for 1,798. And the actual price is 2,198. But if you pay full amount, so you will be given discount, and at discount you will receive this laptop for 1,798. But there is another option, that is hire purchase installment option, and each installment is monthly installment, and each monthly installment is $55, and there are 38 installments and no deposit. There is no down payment. You need not to give any initial deposit. Without giving any initial deposit, you can go for monthly installment. So this is the advertisement. The first case, if you pay the full cash, you will receive a discount. The second option is that is monthly installment, hire purchase case. So in the one method which is called cross multiply, we use new old method. The old price is 2,198 and the new price is 1,798. Okay, so the percentage of the old is always 100%, and we have to calculate what percentage will be for new price, and just do the cross multiply. Okay, and please, we have to solve this and find the value of x. Just doing this calculation on the calculator, it is 81.80. Therefore, the new percentage is 81.80, and this percentage, new percentage, it is lower than the old percentage. And the difference between 100 and 81.80 is the percentage discount. The difference between 81.80 and 100, that is a percentage discount. And please calculate what is the difference between them. So therefore 100 minus 81.8 is 18.2. So that there is percentage discount is 18.2%. In B part, what is the difference between the higher purchase price and the original price? We have to calculate first higher purchase price. As there is no down payment, so there is no initial deposit. You have to pay all the amount in monthly installment. And it is written here, the monthly installments are $55. So $55 into 38. The down payment, we have to calculate higher purchase price. The down payment, which is 0 here, plus your installments, all the installment. The installments are $50 each, and there are 38 installments, multiplied by 38. So as there is no initial deposit, 0, plus the total installment. So one installment is $55, and the total number of installments are 38. 55 into 38 plus 0. 0 is the down payment. So the total hire purchase price is $2,090. Whereas it is available on cash 1,798. Okay. What is the difference between hire purchase price and the original price? So girl, the hire purchase is always higher than, mostly it is higher than the cash price. So we take this 1,798 as the original price too. And $292 is the difference between higher purchase price and cash price. Higher purchase price is normally above the cash price. What is the rate of simple interest charged for hire purchase? Give your answer correct to 3 significant figures. So this much amount is the difference between hire purchase price and cash price. So this is the simple interest. This is the simple interest. So the interest is $292, and as for higher purchase price, you are not paying anything in the start of the transaction. So all the amount all the amount of the laptop will be considered as a loan. So that loan is 1,798, and that is the principal amount. The principal amount is all the cash price, because we are not paying any down payment, and the number of years will be the 38 month. If you divide 38 by 12, it will become number of years. Now we have to calculate what is the rate of interest R in this question, and we will apply the formula. So I is equal to P RT over 100. Just plug in the values and then calculate for R. The answer is 5.13%. So 5.13% is the rate of interest. So we have calculated the rate of interest, and it is three significant figures: 1, 2, and 3. These are three significant figures, because it is mentioned give your answer correct to three significant figures. So we have done this question 4.